Hey traders, Todd Gordon here with TradingAnalysis.com. It's going to be a free video update for Thursday, December 17th. Fed came, raised rates, and the world is still spinning on its axis. So business as usual, guys. Patterns that were in play, trends that were in play prior to the Fed meeting have continued forward. We had a strong close here. The only exception is we saw slightly defensive sectors leading the way today, like utilities, industrials, and staples. People going after those dividend payers. But I still think there's some gas left in the tank of the technology stocks as we get into the Santa Claus rally. So let's dive into that. I'm going to get myself out of the way. Let's dive into the NASDAQ. So on the daily, I think we've completed a fourth wave here, green wave 4. And we're set to rally in wave 5. That should take us towards 5,000, the NDX, into 2016. Through 2016. So for now, let's go down to the intraday. And I think we've just done a first wave, second wave, and we're now rallying in wave 3. A third wave should go at least as far as the distance traveled in 1. That's 47.45. Ideally, a third wave gets to the 1.618 multiple of 1, which is 48. That's easy to remember. So one of the trades that we've been talking about in the free video is Netflix. In fact, we did a free video on it yesterday and told you to buy Netflix. Netflix is up 3.5% today, so you're welcome. If you're not in these videos, I'll link you to my homepage somewhere around here, tradinganalysis.com. Be sure to get on our free email list, and then you can just have these videos emailed out to you. Or subscribe to the YouTube channel if you hang out more on YouTube. Okay, so Netflix, let's update you there. It was up, but still not too late to get into the position. So kind of the same situation, Netflix here on the daily, guys. Wave 4 pulled back. We did not get a close inside the territory of Wave 2, which is perfect. So with that big old doji, I think that's what it's called, candle. We didn't close inside of the area of Wave 2, so that's good. And looks like we're set to move higher in a stronger Wave 5 move, just like the NASDAQ, okay? So from there, let's go to the intraday. And this was the little setup that we gave you yesterday, just looking for a little Wave 2 pullback. We held the 618 retracement perfectly. And then the way you're going to structure this trade, and I'll show you the option trade, is you're going to get up to at least 100% of Wave 3 versus 1. Remember, the third wave is usually the strongest wave in waves 1 through 5, okay? It's longer than usually the first wave as well as the fifth wave. So minimum target for your wave 3 is going to be distance traveled in wave 1. See how that works? So we'll go 3v1, 100%, and Netflix comes in at 126.90. Ideally, we get up to 132, which is the 1618, okay? So the trade we put on today with research customers was this. In Netflix, we sold... In January, 30 days to go, I sold half a position of the $115.71 puts against the $114.29 for a put credit spread. Netflix was pretty expensive. The implied volatility was pretty expensive before this rally today. So with clients, I'm probably going to be looking to buy upside call spreads because volatility will likely decrease. In fact, let's just check that in Netflix. Volatility did come off here a little bit. Still 40% in the implied volatility percentile. If volatility gets into the 30s tomorrow, we'll likely go ahead and buy some upside calls that will correspond with taking us through the 100% objective. So probably a 125, 130 call spread top side in Netflix for January. Okay, take us up into that objective. All right, guys, that's the video. Markets like this return to normalcy. Watch those staples, watch the dividend payers. They were real strong today. Looks like Fed was quite dovish, even though they raised rates, which means they're going to raise rates, but a very slow rate, so people are chasing dividends. So just watch that. Netflix looks good. We have a bunch of other trades going on. So hit this like button here in the YouTube window if you don't mind. Helps us rise up through all the great content that's on YouTube. I appreciate that very much. And we'll see you guys in the next video update. Good luck trading.